And now I will do this question with the help of truth table. I agree that to check the correct option using truth table is not a good way because this is very lengthy. Still, for more clarity of concepts, I am telling you, because very few questions are there which become more easier with the help of truth table. But in the present question, it is very lengthy if I use truth table. Still, I am doing it by truth table. Here, first I have shown the meaning of the statement number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We know that in the case of two statements P and Q, in our truth table, 4 rows are there. And we start in this way. You must be knowing T, T, F, F, T, F, T, F, and negation P is true when P is false, and if P is true, then negation P is false. Therefore, we will be getting F, F, T, T. Negation Q will be F, T, F, T. We know that P and Q is true only if both are true, otherwise it is false. Therefore, here it will be true, and now it will be F, F, and F. P and negation Q will be true only when both are true, otherwise it will be false. Negation Q has the truth table this. P and negation Q both are true in this case, hence you will be getting T here, all others will be F. Negation P and Q, again it will be true when both are true, otherwise it will be false. Negation P and Q, here it is both true, therefore it will be true here, otherwise it is false. Negation P or Q, it is false only if both are false, otherwise it is true. Both are false here only, and otherwise it is true. And now to complete the truth table of P implies negation Q, we know that this is false only if P is true and negation Q is false, otherwise it is true. P true, negation Q false is only in first case, hence it will be F here, all others will be T. And now truth table of 1 means this, and this is true only if both are true, otherwise it is false. And P implies negation Q, it is true false means false, both true means T here, FT means F here, FT means F here, and 2 is negation of 1, therefore T, F, T, T. And I have already made the truth table of negation P or Q, that is this. You can see truth table of this and this are matching, hence I can say third choice is the correct choice. Still, for making your concept more strong, I'm completing the table, otherwise we have got the answer that third choice is the correct choice. To complete the truth table of 3, I'll be combining this and this, and you have to find the disjunction of these two, and the disjunction is false only if both are false, otherwise it is true. Both are false here and here both, therefore it will be F and it will be F. Here TF means T, TT means T. Now to make the truth table of 4, that is P or negation P and Q. P or negation P and Q. And we know that in or this is false only if both are false, otherwise it is true. both are false is here only. Therefore, it will be F. In all other cases, FT means T, TF means T, TF means T, and fifth means P or P and Q. That is, we have to find the disjunction of this and this. And we know that disjunction is false only if both are false. Otherwise, it is true. TT means T, TF means T, FF means F, and FF again means F. You can see very easily the truth table of given statement, that is 2, is this, and truth table of 2 is matching with truth table of negation P or Q. It is TFTT, it is TFTT. Hence, I can say third choice is the correct choice. Otherwise, you can check others also, that you will find that truth table of this is matching with the truth table of third only.